Have you ever bullied a company to make something before? Because that's what this is. You know when car companies say, hey, the all new yada yada, and it's just the same thing wrapped up in a new bag? Anyway, here's the all new MUX socket plate. This bad boy is cut from 5000 series alloy sheet stock, laser cut, and powder coated by someone you probably know on the Sunshine Coast. Now, you'll have to imagine how this looks in a car because I don't own an MUX, but just know that it's extensively tested by the Accelerate R&D machine. This neat little bit of kit makes it easy to add IOs to your dual battery system in your MUX. Just like all the other socket plates we make here at Accelerate, it features a combo of Andersons, 12 volt and USB socket options. With the addition of one whopping hole saw and 3 countersunk screws, you can install this little piggy into your MUX's existing dual battery system in about 9 minutes flat. The black rough textured powder coat blends perfectly with all the grubby fingerprints that I know are in your third row of your MUX. Featuring pre-terminated Anderson plugs, this socket bank is an easy add-on to make your life easy when it comes to draining the ever-living piss out of your 12 volt system. Now I hear you saying, Liam, but you don't sell a dual battery kit for the MUX, and you're right. And that's because we're too busy making things like this, and other cool little nifty 12 volt things. But I'll leave you with this. We cave to peer pressure something fierce. So pick up the phone and tell someone you want a dual battery for an MUX, and someone might actually pull their finger out and make it. So if you want one of these MUX socket plates, jump on our website, order one online, and make your life a heck of a lot easier when it comes to in and out options for your dual battery system. God gives the nuts, but he doesn't crack them.
Accelerate off-grid touring, powering your adventures.